Hi there. In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can connect your YouTube account to your Discord. So please listen carefully. And the first thing that you have to do is make sure that your YouTube account is logged in, and this will help you display your YouTube channel and activity on Discord servers. So once you're on your Discord, you will click user settings and then go ahead and look for connections and just click this, and then once you're here you will click view more, and then you will search for YouTube icon. So what you will have to do is you will just have to click this, and then once you click this, you will Google login page will appear here, and then you will just have to enter your YouTube or your Google credentials, and then review the permissions Discord request, and you will just have to simply click allow, and finally your YouTube account will appear under connected accounts, and you can toggle what is visible to other people, and that's basically just it. And by the way, you will have the options like this if you connect it, and you can either display it on your profile or display it on your status or whatsoever. So that's basically just it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much and have an awesome day.